Now, speaking of iPhones, Apple missing the boat over there in India, it ain't going to stop them from making phones and making money. I promise you, they're not doomed. They got another one coming out. We talked about it, right? iPhone 11 and so on. They're going to keep it moving. Well, there's a new leak came out today. Apparently, Apple's going to be done with the word iPhone on the back of the unit, on the back of the phone. This is very surprising to me. I'm not sure I believe this leak. Why would you? I mean, they love their branding. They're trying to go even more simple. They trying to go more. Are they trying to go away from the iPhone being the flagship? Because, here's the thing, Will. Increasingly, their revenue has been moving away from iPhone towards services, other products. They're not making what they used to make on the iPhone. Maybe this is a moment where you move away from the iPhone brand and you start to just make the Apple play in general. Come towards the Apple logo. Join us in our mission. It's quite possible. But anyway, so the rumor is they get rid of the iPhone logo on the back. And this came, by the way, via a Foxconn worker. I mean, he ain't named. He ain't going to drop his name. Going to be consequences if he did. So an unnamed Foxconn worker claims that not only they get rid of the iPhone branding on the back, but the new one will also be available in an all-new dark green color. It's kind of like a forest green. What do you think about that type of color, Will?
Forest green. I don't mind it. It's very calming.
Okay. They say green is the best color to look at for your eyes. Your eyes just I'm looking at green swatches right now. I feel more calm. Jack? Yeah, you're feeling better now. You just look at the forest green over there. So a dark green color. And that's in line with previous reports from a Japanese blog, which they said the same. They said the iPhone XR is going to be available in this new green and lavender. You ever smell fresh lavender, Willie do?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Lavender oil?
Yeah, there you go. It's a beautiful time. Also, the Foxconn worker, in line with Ming-Chi Kuo, claims that all the 2019 iPhones will feature frosted glass casing. So, no more glossy thing. That's interesting. Possibly fewer fingerprints. A sandblasted kind of like, that could be cool. People might be into that, kind of like a ceramic like look, like not a polished one. But for me, the most interesting part of this leak, is obviously the iPhone branding being removed. You can show a picture of it, Will, on macrumors.com. If you go to their article on the matter, if you can find it, it is such an odd thing to look at an iPhone that doesn't say iPhone on it. If you scroll down there, look at that. That's weird, right? Mm-hmm. So used to seeing that iPhone branding, just gone. Can't say I mind it.
No, it's cleaner.
Yeah. I mean, if they do it, I applaud them. I know it's an iPhone. I think the whole world knows it's an iPhone at this point. I don't think you have to write it. But nonetheless, I'm skeptical that it actually happens.